you still a fan of Microsoft Excel? So are we. Maintain your single source of truth and access your valuable Qlik Sense business intelligence data directly from your Microsoft Excel workbooks. We proudly offer AnalyticsGate, an add-on that combines the flexibility and ease of use of Microsoft Excel with the speed, power and security of the Qlik Sense BI platform. With AnalyticsGate, users can access your trusted information directly from the source in Qlik Sense, utilizing our powerful intuitive interface and make data islands a thing of the past. AnalyticsGate is installed in seconds and appears as an additional item within the Excel formula bar. Excel users can then directly connect to and retrieve data from Qlik Sense, while all Qlik Sense security policies are maintained. AnalyticsGate enables the use of powerful integrated formula syntax from both Qlik Sense and Excel, linking all relevant cells directly to your Qlik Sense data model. In addition, all Qlik Sense connected data elements within your Excel workbook become responsive to Qlik Sense bookmarks and filters. Users can reuse existing bookmarks from your Qlik Sense apps or create and share new ones directly from the add-in utilizing Qlik's familiar green-white-gray principle. AnalyticsGate allows the full reuse of Qlik Sense data objects, including fields, dimensions, measures, and custom column definitions, greatly reducing the duplication of effort within an organization. Our Qlik Data to Excel feature includes an interface to easily define and populate connected tables in Excel, utilizing existing Qlik objects or creating new formulas on the fly. Visualization and analysis of your data is also a breeze with AnalyticsGate. Reuse existing Qlik Sense visualizations as dynamic images, or for more flexibility and control, import the underlying data to Excel in one click and utilize Excel's powerful charting and pivot table capabilities. Using either approach, you can take full advantage of the effort already invested into your Qlik Sense applications with the push of a button. With the optional AnalyticsGate reporting suite, you can easily automate the distribution of AnalyticsGate content, utilizing a number of strategies and output formats as well.